Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of my Lua tutorial. I just want to clear some things up. On the TikTok, everybody's saying it's like so easy. And it's so easy because on there, it's like a 1 minute short clip of the video I post. So that's what I can't fit everything into there. But let's get started with the tutorial. So first you want to create a script in server script service. And then in the script, we're going to be doing properties. So first, before we do that, we need to define the part we're doing properties of. So like all of the properties right here, but what if we want to change the properties from this script? So we have to define the part, so we can name this part anything. And then you can do local part equals workspace dot the part you have. So that'll make it, we did this last episode, so this, when you type in part, it knows you're talking about this part because you're defining it. So you can do local part, part dot transparency equals 0.5. So now, if we go into the game, the part's transparency will be 0.5. And then we can do part dot anchored equals true. So right now it's not anchored, but if we go into the game, it will be anchored because when we go into the game, the script will run and now it's anchored. So you can mess around with this. You can like change some numbers. You can like do part dot, let's see. Let's do a can collide equals false. So right now, can collide equals true because we have not run the script. So when we run the script, the transparency will be 0.5, and then can collide equals false. So you can walk right through it. So those are just basic examples of it. And then you can do like task.wait, let's do like 5 seconds, and then part dot can collide equals true. So when we run the script, it'll start with can collide being false, and then after 5 seconds, can collide will be on. So you can do task.wait is like a more like exact, but you can just do wait and then it'll do the same thing. But if you want it to be like exact, you gotta do a task.wait 5. This number is how many seconds you're gonna wait until the thing you put down here happens. And then we can just put this down here, and then we can make this 0, which will make it fully visible. And then part.anchored equals true. So it'll wait 5 seconds and it'll do this. And then I'll have it wait 5 seconds again. And then everything will be true. So like part.cancelWide equals false, and then part.anchored equals true, and then part.transparency equals 0.5. So when you run this, at first everything will be normal. Then after 5 seconds, it won't be normal, and then wait another 5 seconds, then it'll be normal. So you can do this to like make rainbow parts. I'll keep that, because that's defining the part. So, part dot color 3 equals, going to do like 200, 200, 200. Wait. But these are just some examples of the properties and how to change them using a script, and how to make it so they keep changing. So you can do it like this. So part dot touched, probably no, I'll do that next episode. Part dot transparency equals 0.9, and then I don't know how long it is, and then task dot wait, I'll have it wait 2. And then every 2 seconds, it'll change transparencies. I'll change this, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll have it be okay, I'll accept that. And then it just goes back up. So this is an example. So let's test it out. Let's go into here. And as you can see, it's getting more visible. If you look closely, it's getting more visible, and then after it gets fully visible, it'll start getting less visible. So we can just put in a little repeat. Here, I'll mess with all of that in the next video, but this is just like a little simple thing for changing properties with a script. So you can do like part dot let's see, we're switching the properties. What could we change? Material equals equals color. Alright, so you can write this, and then you can see that when we load into the game, Alright, so there's something wrong with the script. I mean, I can do some more with this, with like tweens and functions and more stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. My Discord is in indpon 0001. If you want to add me, you can. Goodbye.